This is the brief on WeTrueGun. WeTrueGun is an MOD-certified Ukrainian drone training center and manufacturer with one high-stakes mission: to fight with the mind and save infantry lives. Think of this not just as a flight school, but as a modern survival academy where your brain and a remote control are absolutely your primary weapons. First up, the 35-day, 340-hour intensive program. To save lives out there, you've got to completely reprogram how you fight from the ground up. Operators start in virtual simulators like liftoff, progress to flying mini tiny whoop drones, and eventually master the manual flight of heavy bombers like the night-hunting Vampire. Now you might be wondering, why start a combat pilot on a tiny toy-sized drone? Well, crashing a tiny whoop is a cheap lesson. Crashing a heavy bomber, that's a total tactical disaster. Second is engineering and soldering. See, flying the drone is only half the battle. Operators have to learn hardware engineering, soldering, and programming. They literally fly the exact drones and battery packs they build themselves. It's pure trench engineering. If your drone breaks in a combat zone under heavy electronic warfare pressure, you can't exactly call tech support. You fix it yourself with a soldering iron. Finally, it comes down to real-world combat hardware. Once you can build and fly, you need to train against actual sky threats. WeTrueGun manufactures advanced tech like the Gupalo N, a training target that mimics enemy kamikaze drones at max speeds of 145 kilometers per hour. You aren't just learning to fly, you're practicing high-speed intercepts against actual combat-grade hardware. By combining MOD-certified engineering with elite tactical flight training, WeTrueGun ensures that on the modern battlefield, you are always at height.